Have you ever wondered how the Earth creates its vast mineral wealth? Mineral deposits are not random occurrences. They are the final, breathtaking product of powerful geological engines operating over millions of years. We call these engines mineral systems. A mineral system tells the complete story behind every ore body. It explains where the metals come from, how they are transported through the crust, what forces them to concentrate, and why some deposits survive for eons, while others are eroded away. Understanding these systems is the cornerstone of modern mineral exploration. Why does thinking in terms of mineral systems matter so much? Because modern exploration has shifted its focus. Instead of just searching for individual ore bodies, we now concentrate on understanding the large-scale geological processes that create major deposits in the first place. This systems-based approach helps geologists achieve several critical goals. First, it allows them to predict where undiscovered deposits might be hidden deep beneath the surface. Second, it helps them evaluate entire regions for their potential to host world-class, Tier 1 deposits. Third, it significantly reduces exploration risk by focusing efforts on the most promising areas. And finally, it provides a framework for understanding the mineral fertility of entire geological provinces. At the heart of this concept are the four essential pillars of a mineral system. The first pillar is the source. This is the origin point for both the metals and the fluids that will carry them. Sources can be incredibly diverse, ranging from deep mantle plumes and subducting oceanic slabs to ancient continental crust, or even sediments releasing their fluids under pressure. A rich, potent source is the essential first ingredient for any large mineral deposit. The second pillar is energy, or the drivers of the system. These are the powerful processes that mobilize the metals and drive the fluids forward. The immense heat from magmatism, the immense pressure of metamorphism, the relentless crustal movement of tectonic pumping, or the stretching and thinning of lithospheric extension. These drivers are the engine that puts the entire system into motion. The third pillar is the pathways. Once mobilized, the metal-rich fluids need a network of channels to travel through the Earth's crust. These pathways are geological structures and permeable rock units, such as major faults, extensive fracture networks, deep-seated shear zones, and porous rock layers. An efficient, well-connected plumbing system dramatically increases the chance of forming a significant ore deposit. The fourth and final pillar is traps and preservation. This is where the journey ends and the treasure is formed. A trap is any geological, chemical, or physical mechanism that causes the metals to drop out of the fluid and become concentrated. This can happen in reactive host rocks, at boundaries where chemistry changes abruptly, or due to sudden drops in pressure and temperature. Just as important as the trap is preservation. This determines whether the newly formed deposit can survive the subsequent millions of years of erosion and tectonic activity. To be discovered today, to truly grasp this, think of the power of systems thinking. If a single mineral deposit is like a towering tree, then the mineral system is the entire forest. It is the deep, fertile soil, the specific climate, and the extensive root network that made the growth of that magnificent tree possible in the first place. Successful 21st century exploration looks beyond the glittering prize of the ore body itself. It focuses on identifying and understanding the entire geological engine that built it. This is how geologists pinpoint new terrains, with the fundamental architecture capable of producing the world-class, Tier 1 mineral deposits that will power our future.